Hi everybody, I'm Kent Culbertson with American AVK. As part of the Tailgate Talk series today, we're going to sit here in front of the factory, and we've got Randy Looney, who's our special project manager. We've got his Porsche 911 here. We're gonna have a little car show today and a food truck and whatnot. But I wanna go into a little bit more detail on the Series 66 gate valve, and specifically, in addition to how to order the valve, I want to make sure you understand some of the benefits of the valve. So one thing is it's about 40% faster to install this valve as opposed to a traditional flange by flange valve with PE adapters. The reason for that is you have no nuts, bolts, washers, anything like that, and it actually winds up being about not just 40% faster, but 60% less parts. So what happens over the course of a 7.5 hour period, you actually can install these valves over the course of that time about 50% faster throughout the day. In addition to that, this valve is leak proof. And by that, what I mean, with a 4-inch valve with DR11 pipe on it, at about 840 PSI, the pipe will start to expand, but it will not blow off the valve. So they do not leak.